The Arduino team claims you can unbox the new Arduino Uno Q and be up and running in under 5 minutes, as shown in their official video, linked below. Challenge accepted.
To show you how fast it is going from unboxing the Uno Q to running your first project. Spoiler, it takes less than 5 minutes.
So how long did it really take? Let's find out. Spoiler alert, it took me over 30 minutes, but nothing to worry about. I won't keep you here for that long. With the Uno Q out of the box, the timer was sitting at about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Then I plugged it in, and that's when things started to get interesting. I'd already made sure the Arduino Lab app was running on the PC, so I was ready to go. Next came the network configuration. Getting the Wi-Fi password took a bit of time. I copied and pasted it, and then the Arduino Uno Q started checking for updates. This is where the first issue appeared. Error, checking for updates. I unplugged the board, plugged it back in, restarted the app, and tried again. Same error. I'm not going to hold them responsible for it, but it's fair to say this was one of those small hiccups they hadn't taken into account. My 5-minute window had already expired by the 6-minute mark, so I stopped recording to sort it out off camera. Eventually, I managed to get the update check to work, and a setup window appeared showing USB and network connection options. I selected USB, and then I was asked to update the board firmware, as shown here. That step caused most of the delay. I clicked Get Flash Tool, which took me to the Arduino download site. After downloading and unzipping the flasher, I followed the instructions on their website to update the firmware. The process took a while to complete. Finally, I reached the startup screen. From there, I configured the Uno Q, selected the keyboard layout, and gave the board a name, Layer Fusion. I had to re-add the board to the network, set the password again, and then at last, I was in. In total, the full setup took just over 30 minutes. After that, I ran a few example sketches, as you can see here. I was expecting to get the board running in under 5 minutes, or at worst under 10, but that's fine. It's very likely that if the board had shipped with up-to-date firmware, setup would have been as quick as advertised. I'll test that theory again with another new unit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos and projects based around the Arduino Uno Q.